In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a contact to a list on HubSpot step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to HubSpot's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see the login option in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your HubSpot credentials, so make sure you have those handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. Here, you want to look for an option labeled CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's usually positioned on the navigation bar at the top of the screen. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this drop-down, you'll see an option for contacts. Click on that to access your list of contacts. Now that you're on the contacts page, take a moment to browse through your existing contacts. What you want to do next is select the contact you wish to add to a list. Simply click on the contact's name, and it will open their profile page. You'll notice various options on this page that allow you to manage and refine details about the contact. Concentrate your attention on the Manage button. This is where you'll be able to adjust list memberships and more. Click on Manage and you should see an option to Add to List. Selecting this will bring up the interface where you can search for existing lists to add your contact to. Now click on Search for a static list to reveal the list available within your HubSpot account. You'll want to find the list named Sample File, CSV, or whatever name you have for your static list. Once you locate it, click to select it. Finally, to confirm this action, hit the Add button. This adds the selected contact to the specified list seamlessly. It's a straightforward and efficient process, perfect for organizing your contacts in HubSpot. To wrap up, remember that managing your contacts efficiently can be the backbone of successful customer interactions and lead nurturing. HubSpot makes this easy by allowing you to categorize and organize contacts with just a few clicks. So with that, you're all set to leverage this feature to its full potential. Thank you for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials to get the most out of HubSpot's comprehensive suite of tools.